travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Shushana, and on my channel I do lots of home decor and seasonal decorating. If you like what you see today, I would love for you to consider subscribing. I do upload twice weekly, every Wednesdays and Fridays at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I would love for you to become a part of our family. Definitely double tap that bell so that you don't miss any notifications. So today I am doing a collaborating spring fireplace mantle with my sister girl Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. She is so amazing, so creative. Her and her husband just bought a beautiful home, and she is in the midst of decorating it one room at a time. I would love for you guys to head over to her channel. Make sure you let her know that I sent you over. Hit that subscribe button, and definitely leave comments down in her description box, down in her comment section on her video today. And I know she's going to have something amazing for y'all because she is so talented and incredible at what she does. So let's go ahead and get into this video so that I can show you step by step how I achieved this look. So come on guys, let's go ahead and get the decorating.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive.
Hey guys, so now I am just going to be attaching this garland to the screw that's been screwed into my wall. I screw screws into my wall and I paint them the same colors of the wall on my mantle, because I do floral arrangements on my mantle for every season and every holiday. So now I am just kind of arranging these two garlands into one and kind of, you know, making it into a shape that I want, so that the floral arrangements, it's kind of like whimsical and, you know, sporadic. It's not like really formed, if that makes sense, but it's formed. I don't know if I make sense, but I'm really just trying to form it into kind of like a waterfall, if you may. And then you're going to see me just attaching different florals in there, different picks. And I do have some dried florals that I'm also going to be using. I love using dried florals. They are messy, but I love the look that they give. It's like that whimsical feeling. And I just love doing arrangements. I love doing floral arrangements, centerpieces, and I especially love doing it for different seasons, different holidays, different events. I just feel like it gives like a pop of color and just some attitude, you know, to any type of space. I literally can just do this in my family room and I don't even have to do anything else. And it just gives that dramatic, whimsical feel that I am going for the spring season. So I would love to see if you guys would like to try it. You know, if you guys tried it or would like to do anything like this, definitely tag me over my Instagram at All Things Shushana. I would love to see what you guys come up with. Let me know down in the comment section also what do you think about the floral arrangements on the mantle when you see, you know, when you see what it all looks like. It looks beautiful. It turned out amazing, and I am just loving every bit of it.
'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the take me from this tree I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you might succeed. Oh baby, I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on the world. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stay strong. It looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stay strong. It looks like we made it. Yeah, it looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we. It looks like we made it. It looks like we. Oh, it looks like we made it. I did a lot of bad things, and never did I give in. Just 'cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am. I have never felt home till you entered my door. screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Be with you.
And this is the way that my mantle turned out. You guys, oh my gosh. Every time I do my mantle, I say that it is my favorite style that I've done to date. But I really, really love how this turned out. I feel like it's not too much in your face, but it definitely is a pop of something. I love it so much. And yes, my fireplace is on because though I'm in the spring vibes, it is literally snowing outside. I am having a blizzard, you guys, in my region. This is like the third blizzard for the season so far. And it's just really messing with my mood. I'm definitely having some winter, down vibes here, but seeing this beautiful bouquet of floral arrangements on my mantle definitely give me happy vibes, and I just love the way that it turned out. I am definitely a maximalist. I am not a minimalist by any means of the word. I love stuff. I love a lot of stuff, and I love florals. I love to do floral arrangements, and I've never been to school for floral designs, but it's just a natural talent that God has blessed me with. And I just love making floral arrangements all over my home. I went with just a simple styling on the right side of the mantle. And yes, my bunny, he only has one ear. He broke off when I was packing him away, but his ear broke off when I was packing him away, but it's okay. He still looks amazing. And I feel like he gave this whole arrangement some character. I love the way that it looks. I'm not trying to be like everyone else. I don't want my home to look like everyone's. I like a curated home that is my style, my design, and just my colors and vibes and everything. And I hope that you guys really, really love and enjoyed this spring mantle decorate with me. Don't forget to head on over to Stephanie's channel, and also there will be a playlist linked down in the description box where you could check out all the other creatives as they decorate their mantles for the spring season. Thank you guys so much for hanging with myself and my friends today. I hope that you guys are inspired and motivated to get decorating for your spring season. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that He loves you, and I love you too. And I will see you next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Let me be the sun.